book which is soon to be launched this year. I did a lot of training in KC College, HR College, Jai Hind College, and today specifically we are here because of the book launch for Lalit Mahmood, and also because Shri L.K. Advani has been given Padma Vibhushan. So we, as Priyadarshini and as a Parivar, we are facilitating L.K. Advani here, so I'm here for the event.
Sara, are you getting any kind of award today as well?
No, I'm not. I'm just coming to be a part of it because I've always been a part of Priyadarshini and it is very close to me.
And Sara, you were on the Indian cover a while ago. Now you're, felicitating someone from your community. How does it feel to be part
It feels great. It feels proud to be in a community where people are actually, like a family, helping each other, motivating each other, and also being a part and just, even attending a seminar, attending such kind of facilitation also shows that we're all still together and one family.
And anything else you'd like to add about how it feels today?
I feel great. Actually, I'm quite lucky today that I've got some time out for my shoots here. So I'm quite excited. I'm seeing different people. I'm getting to meet my family of Priyadarshini. So yeah, I'm very happy.
Thank you, Sara.
Thank you.
बुक लिखता है किसी के भी बारे में और बड़ी शिद्दत से लिखता है तो लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क एंड एफर्ट गोज इन इट, राइट? और जब वो बन के तैयार हो जाती है किताब, प्लीज, वी ऑल नो द मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड एंड रिनाउंड पॉलिटिशियन ऑफ आवर कंट्री, लेकिन आज ये यहाँ पे एज ए पॉलिटिशियन नहीं आए. He is here for his work. Stage is all yours. अरवानी जी नहीं आ रहे? आप कहीं भी रहे, बात क्या क्या बात है आपकी? So Manik ji, give him a big hand. Manik ji, I'll take your lead. Thank you so much. Thank you for being so patient with me. Thank you.
Sadhna, can you be here on the stage for a few seconds? Hello. Just want to share with you that in case there are still some people who are ignoramuses like me, this charming hostess, Sadhna Singh, she is an actress of yesteryear. She acted in many movies like Aliya Ke Paas, Palak, many films in the 1980s, and of course, predictably she was snapped up in marriage, so that cut short her acting career. But she is a great singer also, almost professional level. Just want to share with you that yes, of course, everybody is here out of love for music and things like that. Just want to share with you that when she came to Mumbai, she came with a dream in her. Let me say, that's okay, one day the press will come. She came looking for Mr. Amin Sayani in Bombay. And how old were you, Sadhna, at that time?
I was 17.
She was 17. Amin sir, did you hear that? She came looking for you. What an honor. Sadhna, thank you. You'll be back in a little while.
Thank you.
But thank you so much. मुझे ललित महमूद साहब के बारे में कहना था. मैंने अपनी किताब में कह दिया. I think that just about everything covered in the book. So it's in the lobby and you can take it from there. Whatever has to be also shown in addition, whatever I've missed, and another perspective perhaps, was shown in a lovely film by Pratibha Advani. This is a 2-3-year-old film and we had a tough time bringing it down, whittling it down to 20 minutes. I'm sure most of you must have felt at some point of that film sensitive about, it must have touched your hearts somewhere, even if you're not a great music lover. So that was the quality about him, great human being, stupendous singer. I just want to say that we have a tight schedule. Anu Malik was supposed to be here, but he's got a tremendously sad back. He's right now in hospital, so he couldn't be here. The governor of Maharashtra is delayed for a little while. So we will now just have a few minutes of each of us to offer their thoughts of why we are here. And we start from the right and progress towards the reason Sadhana Singh is not carrying the proceeding further, at least for now, is because of this time constraint that we have. We have now to fold up everything in the next 30 minutes. So Khalid Mahmood, the man who's carrying on a magnificent mission about his father, himself a singer, a part-time guitarist. Khalid, over to you.
Few here, और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप सब यहाँ पे आए हैं. You know, a lot of people, after my father died, a lot of people wanted to write a book, but I didn't allow anybody to do that because I didn't realize or feel that they knew my father that well to be able to write a book on him. You know, but when Manik asked me, I said yes to him immediately because he knew my father for years, you know. He has come to my house so many times. Advani साहब और उनका जो प्यार है डैडी के लिए, you know, सारे family का जो love है, I realized that and I said yes to him, you know, and I'm so happy that everything in the book is the way I would have liked it to be. You know, the cover that he has started, the words he used, the introduction and everything, it is exactly what I would have written myself if I had written as a son, you know. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है और मैं ये आपको कहूँगा कि please, the book is there for you, please pick up the copy for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Khalid. The exceptional lady in the blue sari, Sudha Malhotra.
और बहुत ही चार्मिंग और बहुत ही अच्छी पर्सनैलिटी, जैसे कि आप सब ने देखा है फिल्म में. और मैं क्या बताऊं, इतनी मरमरी आवाज़, इतनी मधुर आवाज़. और हम लोगों ने तो बहुत शोज करे साथ में, तो मुझे तो बहुत उनकी मेमोरीज याद हैं. ऐसा लगता है कि अभी हमारे साथ ही हैं. और आज तक मैं उनके गानों को याद रखती हूँ. और मेरे कई गाने उनके साथ गाए हुए हैं जो शायद मानिक ने अपनी किताब में डाले होंगे, मुझे मालूम नहीं है अभी डाले हैं. आप सब किताब को पढ़िए और एंजॉय करिए और उनकी याद को ताज़ा रखिए. धन्यवाद. हम तुम्हारे हो चुके हैं, हमको तुमसे प्यार है. जिंदगी में तुम नहीं तो जिंदगी बेकार है. हम तुम्हारे हो चुके हैं.
Namaskar everybody. I'm very happy to be in Bombay because this is a city that truly I belong here because I was born here. And it has many of my childhood memories. So when my mama said that he's written a book on Talat Mahmood Saab and he wants to show my film, and I said, hey, I can't be happier doing anything else. I would love you to show the film. Mama asked me a question, why Talat Mahmood? I would like to ask him a question, why Talat Mahmood? I have done many episodes in my shows, Yadein, Namaste Cinema. Yadein was essentially yesteryear people and legends from Indian cinema, and it continued into Namaste Cinema. So this was a part of both because I loved the interview with Khalid Saab, was very kind to give us the interview at that point of time. Manik Mama, I have one complaint. Why did you edit Khalid Saab's interview or soundbite from the movie today?
There was no agenda. I admire Khalid for the work he's doing and also as a person. But what happened is I gave it to somebody and explained to him that this had to be within 15 minutes. And we could not do it in 15 minutes.
I wish you had just kept one bite because he really went out of his way to give me that interview for my office.
Really, my apologies, but
I'm sorry, Khalid Saab, I would have loved to have your bite up also. Well, Talat Mahmood Saab's journey in the industry, his music, his singing and acting, everything put together, it gave me an insight into his life when I was making this as a part of my Yade and Namaste Cinema show. And I must say that his varied life has been so beautifully, he's led his life in the industry that any kind of salutation to him is probably not enough. And I must say, Mama, with his book, is doing his bit, and I'm sure, I haven't seen the book yet, but I'm sure, knowing the kind of person he is, Manik Jagtiani, Manik Premchand, I'm sure he must have done an awesome job with it. And I'm happy that in some small way, I'm able to contribute to this program. I was very happy when he said, can he use my film? I said, of course. I would love to, maybe I would have done it myself, but since I didn't have the time in Delhi, he said, don't worry, I'll edit it. Mama, I must say you've done a fantastic job with the editing. I had no issues with what you've done with it because normally I don't like anybody else editing my film, but he was very kind and I'm thankful to you, Mama. Happy to be here, don't want to take too much time. I must tell you, Mama is a great singer also. And Talat Mahmood's voice was something that I've heard from him since I was a child. So Mama, if you can sing 2 lines, you'll be very happy. On this mic.
You know, there are too many Talat Mahmood voices today. There is Khalid on my right, and there is Raghunath Kedar in the audience. Ricky Sabina husband is himself a Talat Mahmood voice. And I don't know, we have come together now under this umbrella. So I'll give it a miss because I've seen.
मेरे ख्वाबों के झरोखों को सजाने वाली तेरे ख्वाबों में कहीं मेरा गुजरे कि नहीं पूछ कर अपनी निगाहों से बता दे मुझको मेरी रातों के मुकद्दर में सहर है
So, Puda, apologies to all singers and music lovers. Okay, so thank you, Pratibha, that was nice, and thank you for being here once again. We'll give Advani ji a miss for a few minutes, and we'll talk to Mr. Nanik Rupani. The reason why we are here, it's his umbrella, you know, everything from beginning to end. We are grateful that all his shows have been happening, and even today, there's a felicitation of Advani ji and a few other people immediately after this. But Rupani ji, say something.
I think it was pleasure working with Manik when he said that Talat Mahmood ji, we are having this program and this book will be released. So we have regularly a program called National Integration Through Dances and Music, which we have been doing regularly.
So I will keep myself very, very short. Firstly, I must say that I'm really happy and honored to be here because our chief guest, Shri Advani Sahab, is a very special person in my life. I became a great fan of his ever since he was Minister of Information and Broadcasting in the short period when the Janta government had come into power. And I found in him to be a minister who was ideal for the post. And I'm sure for all the posts that he has since then taken up and will be taking up in the future, I wish him the best of luck. And I must say that, like me, he has millions of other fans. Thank you, Advani ji, for whatever you've done, for whatever you are. I am also very happy to be here because it is a very special occasion for me, Manik Premchand's book being released. I have been associated with almost all his books, and I've read all of them. Not only have I read them, but some of them have been very, very helpful to me in my own special work of creating radio programs, one of which I'm sure you are listening to every day these days on Big FM. from 1 to 2 every Monday to Friday. And I find that not only has Manek been one of the most elegant and most fabulous Indian film musicologists in India, his knowledge of it is excellent, but also the language that he uses, the elegance of his language is absolutely erudite and absolutely terrific. I wish many more books will be coming out, and I'm just waiting to get my hands on this particular book, on Talat. And since I have to say something about Talat also, I would like to, for a brief moment, switch back to my own simple Hindustani language. Bahno aur bhaiyo, तलत महमूद साहब का जिक्र जब आता है तो मन में एक अजीब सी खूबसूरत सी तस्वीर खिंच जाती है उनकी मधुरता की, उनकी शराफत की, उनकी नज़ाकत की, उनकी मलाहत की। इतना खूबसूरत इंसान फिल्मी दुनिया में मुझे नहीं लगता कि कभी आया है। न संगीत के, हालांकि बड़े बड़े लोग आए हैं, उनसे भी बड़े होंगे बहुत सारे, लेकिन मधुरता, शराफत और नरमी जो इनमें थी शायद किसी और में नहीं थी। तलत भाई का मैं बड़ा दोस्त भी रहा, ज़बरदस्त फैन भी रहा, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये किताब भी जो आएगी उससे भी मानेक प्रेमचंद के कलम के थ्रू बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी बातें आपके दिल तक पहुँचेंगी। और ये भी मुझे पता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया है इस किताब के लिए, ऐसे लोग जो बहुत करीब थे तलत भैया के, और मैं बस इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ कि कब ये किताब खुले, इनॉग्रेट हो अडवाणी जी के हाथों और वे मुझ तक पहुँचे। बहुत बहुत आपका शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत मानेक का शुक्रिया, और सबसे ज़्यादा अडवाणी जी का शुक्रिया।
मेरा परिचय दिया, उसके बाद मैं उस पर क्या टिप्पणी करूं ये मेरे समझ में नहीं आया, क्योंकि मैंने किसी समय किसी पत्र पत्रिका में जिसके एडिटर ने कहा कि ये हमारा जो पत्र है या हमारी जो पत्रिका है साप्ताहिक प्रकाशित होती है और वो सूखी सूखी होती है, पढ़ने वाले जो है उसमें राजनीति के अलावा कुछ नहीं देखते, और इसीलिए सब लोग कहते हैं कि ये राजनीतिक अखबार उसी को पढ़ते रहेंगे कि हम, कुछ तो उसमें ढंग की भी बात होनी चाहिए। और ढंग की बात जो है, संपादक ने कही कि सबसे ढंग की बात आजकल लोगों को लगती है तो फिल्म की लगती है, तो क्यों ना कुछ एक कॉलम कम से कम फिल्म का हो। और फिर उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे तो लगता है कि अच्छा होगा कि अगर कोई फिल्म कॉलम लिखने वाला हो जाए, कोई कर ले। उनको अनुमान नहीं था कि मैं फिल्में देखता हूं, तो मैंने कहा कि मैं वो वॉलंटियर किया, मैंने कहा चलो मैं कोशिश कर सकता हूं। इसके अलावा बाकी सारी बातें जो कही माणिक जी ने वो सही नहीं है। मैंने जरूर किसी समय फिल्म्स में रुचि ली, और वो रुचि बढ़ गई जब मेरी अपनी लड़की ने टेलीविजन पर फिल्में बनानी शुरू की, और ऐसी ऐसी फिल्में बनाई कि जिनको मैं आज भी देखता हूं, और कितनी बार भी देखता हूं तो भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है। और मैं आपको बता सकता हूं कि मैंने कहीं एक आध बार उनका जो एक कॉलम, उनका जो एक रेगुलर फीचर आता था, उसमें तलत महमूद का एक आध गीत जरूर सुना। और उसके बाद एक बार मैंने कहा कि माणिक भी बहुत अच्छा गाता है और मैं उनको सुनना चाहूंगा। और मैंने जब उनको गीत गा करके सुनाने के लिए कहा, तो मुझे स्ट्राइक हुआ कि इनकी आवाज बिल्कुल तलत के साथ मिलती जुलती है। और इसीलिए मैंने कई वर्षों बाद तलत को कल रात को सुना, जब प्रतिभा ने यही फिल्म जो आज आपको दिखाई वो मुझे भी दिखाई। तो मुझे लगा कि सचमुच जो मेरा अंदाजा था कि माणिक की स्वयं की आवाज भी तलत से कुछ मिलती जुलती है, ये बात सही है। और मुझे कल बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आज का यह कार्यक्रम, जिसमें मुझे तो एक बहाना मिला था कि उसमें मेरा सम्मान होगा। मैंने सोचा कि मेरा सम्मान तो राष्ट्रपति भवन में जिनको करना था वो कर लिया, हो गया वो तो। यहाँ उसके कारण यहाँ सम्मान काय के लिए होगा? ये तो एक और ऑडियंस है और एक प्रस्तुति होने वाली है। और उसमें भी जब मुझे पता लगा कि फिल्म जो है वो तलत की जो है वो प्रतिभा की दिखाई जाएगी, तो मैंने कहा इसके कारण मुझे भी बुला लिया होगा। ये अंदाजा नहीं था कि यहाँ पर दो ऐसे विद्वान बैठे होंगे कि हु कैन बी रिगार्डेड एज फुल्ली कन्वर्सेंट विद हिंदी फिल्म म्यूजिक। और मैं मानता हूं कि यहाँ पर मंच पर बैठे हुए लोगों में से माणिक है या अमीन सयानी, ये दो व्यक्ति हैं कि जो एक प्रकार से हिंदी फिल्म म्यूजिक के बारे में, और माना जा सकता है कि दैट दे आर स्कॉलर्स इन देयर ओन राइट, दे आर आउटस्टैंडिंग नॉट merely फिल्म कमेंटेटर्स। बट मुझे ये अंदाजा नहीं था कि इमरजेंसी के समय में इन्होंने मेरे कुछ पढ़े या लिखे, कुछ सुना, मुझे नहीं अंदाजा है। लेकिन मैं उनको बता सकता हूँ कि इमरजेंसी का पूरा पीरियड जो था ना, वो मैं कोई सुनता था, क्योंकि हमको कुछ नहीं मिलता था। हम 19 महीने जेल में थे और उस 19 महीने के काल में हमको किसी एक मित्र ने छोटा सा ट्रांजिस्टर दे दिया था, और वो ट्रांजिस्टर के कारण हम अमीन सयानी के सुनते थे गीत। इस साल में मुझे जानकारी मिली कि कितने, ये केवल कमेंटेटर नहीं है, कितने आउटस्टैंडिंग फिल्म म्यूजिक कॉलेजिस्ट है और पूरी समझ है। और मैंने जब 2-4 पुस्तकें देखी हमारे माणिक की, तब मैं बहुत प्रभावित हुआ। खास करके जब एक मोटी पुस्तक 100 साल हिंदी सिनेमा के, उस हिंदी फिल्म म्यूजिक के बारे में जो उन्होंने पुस्तक लिखी है, वो पढ़ करके मुझे लगा कि ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ही कुछ लिख सकता हूँ और थोड़ा बहुत समझ सकता हूँ फिल्म म्यूजिक के बारे में, या लड़की से पूछ करके समझ लेता हूँ और ज्यादा। बहुत मुझे सिखा देती है। और आज भी मैंने उनको आते ही कहा कि मैंने कहा कि उनके लड़के बैठे हैं यहाँ पर, उनका उल्लेख ही नहीं इसमें। कल रात को तो मैंने देखा था, उल्लेख था। तब इन्होंने जिक्र किया और कहा कि ये एडिटिंग में कैसे लट गया। लेकिन मैं कहूंगा आपको कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आज इस कार्यक्रम में आकर के, चाहे बहाना प्रतिभा थी और बहाना माणिक था, लेकिन मुझे बहुत आनंद आया, बहुत खुशी हुई। और लगा ये कि राजनीति के कारण तो लोग जानते हैं मुझे, और इसके कारण कई लोगों को आश्चर्य हुआ होगा। मेरे किसी राजनीतिक व्यक्ति को आग्रह करना पड़ता है कि तुम मंच पर आओ, नॉर्मली ऐसा कोई होता नहीं। क्योंकि मेरे लिए, मेरी प्रकृति में है कि जिस काम के लिए मैं आया हूं अर्थात कि मैं तो आनंद लेने के लिए आया हूँ, रस लेने के लिए आया हूँ आज के इस कार्यक्रम का। वो रस में लेकर के मंच पर चला जाऊं जहां पर फिर कोई भाषण देने के लिए कह दे, कह ही दिया, कोई बात नहीं। लेकिन मैं बधाई देता हूं मंच पर बैठे हुए सभी लोगों को जिन्होंने भी ये कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया है, कि उन्होंने बहुत उत्तम ढंग से और योग्य रूप से आज का ये कार्यक्रम आयोजित करके तलत जी के प्रति जैसा एक श्रद्धा का, आस्था का, उनकी श्रेष्ठता का जिस प्रकार से सम्मान होना चाहिए वैसा करने की व्यवस्था की। बहुत धन्यवाद। Before I perform the formal function of reading this book, I would like to remind people that fact in my life which has influenced me in many ways. One of them has been my 19 months incarceration in prison during the emergency. I had gone to Bangalore in June 1975. I think it was perhaps the night on which emergency was declared. And so I and my senior leader Vajpayee, along with a few other MPs, we went for a parliamentary committee meeting to Bangalore. And early morning, the police was there to arrest us. And we were taken to prison, Bangalore Central Jail, where I had the privilege of remaining for 19 months until 19 months later, the emergency was removed because Mrs. Gandhi lost the election and the whole thing changed. Since then, I have always been always ready to release a book. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मुझे इस पुस्तक को विमोचित करके और एक महान संगीतकार, एक महान कलाकार, एक महान फिल्म के क्षेत्र को काफी जान देने वाला व्यक्ति, उसका सम्मान करने का मुझे अवसर मिला।
Hello. Just want to share with you that we have another program starting. The Governor of Maharashtra, Honorable Governor.
In just a few seconds, please take your seats. People backstage, I hate to have to do this to you, but please clear the stage so we can get started with our program. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Next to Chawla. This camera.
फिल्म देखूंगा आपका
She's my co-star. One second.
Sir, you?
Yeah, please. Sir, you? Ma'am, here, please.
Sir, you?
Thank you.
Thank you.